Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger and disable encrypted chat features. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and go to the chat that has end-to-end encryption enabled. You can usually tell a chat is encrypted if you see the encryption label or lock icon inside the conversation. Now, tap on the chat settings icon at the top right corner. This does not show on my mobile phone. Here, you'll see that the chat is using end-to-end encrypted messages. One quick method is to go back, press and hold the chat, then tap Delete Chat. After deleting it, start a new conversation with the same person and check if encryption is still enabled. If that doesn't work, go back to the Messenger home screen and tap the menu icon. Now open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats, then tap on Message Storage. Scroll down and choose Turn Off Automatic Uploads. This will remove the encrypted message backup and disable some end-to-end encryption features linked to your account. And that's it. That's how you can turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Messenger privacy and troubleshooting tutorials.